The next thing we'll talk about today in editing our WordPress website is how to edit other pages. From the dashboard, I'm going to go to Pages and just click Pages. And then I'll see About Us, Contact Us, FAQs, and a lot of different pages. Some of these are services that this particular client offers. So I'm going to click on Edit next to Cold Source. I'm going to click on Edit next to About Us. I'm going to click on Edit next to Contact Us. And I'm opening these all up in multiple windows. This is the Cold Source page. This one is not done, but you'll see a couple things here. This one just says more information coming soon, contact us today. The word contact us today is, if I highlight over that, that's a link to the contact us page. So if I wanted to make a word a link to another page on the side, I'd highlight over the phrase, and then I'd hit this insert edit link. And then I could either know the website address, or I could click on this link options, and it would show me a list of all the pages from this website. So if I wanted to link it to the FAQs, I would click on that FAQs, it would put the address right there, and then I would click add link. And then because I don't want more to link to the FAQs, highlight over it and click that remove link, and then it just deletes it. And then I'll click update. Now another thing about this particular page, the cold source page, it's not done. So right now the template is default template. But I'm going to go to another page, a page that I know is done, Mirror Dry. I'm going to click on that one, edit, and then I'll go to that page. Now you'll see this page looks different. It has the tabs like we talked about on the home page. You'll notice some of it is very similar. Hero section, testimonial, FAQs. If I open up this page on the front end, I'll see that, oh, there's the top image, there's some text, there's more information, there's some pictures, there's a testimonial, and there's frequently asked questions. So then I go back to the Mirror Dry page and I can start editing this content. Again, just like on other tutorials, I click on the image, I can see this one is a PNG image, which is fine. It's fairly small, 530 by 400. That's how I would edit that. There's the title, which is going to show up right here. There's the bullet points, which is going to show up right here. And there's the call to action, which will be editable right here. So that's the whole hero section. Additional information shows up. There's the title. If I go back here, there's the big title, and then there's the subtitles and the content that shows up, and then there's the gallery. So if I go back, big title, subtitle, content, subtitle, content, and then at the very bottom is the gallery, and I can click on those and see the different sizes of those images. The testimonial section is just like what we went over on the home page. It just shows what others think, the description, the testimonial. This is a filler image, and then a 5. And then the FAQ section is pretty cool. You'll see here, in some cases on your site, you'll see a show or hide button. Right now on the Mirror Dry page, that FAQs is showing because there is content. Let's say I don't have content for that yet. I can then click and it shows hide. When I update the page, it will, and then I refresh the page on the front end, this section is going to disappear. It's no longer there. The good news is, though, it is still there, and I don't have to recode that or add that content again. I can just turn it back on to show and then update. And when I refresh the page, bingo, there it is again. And you'll see here's the title, and then there's the question. And when I click on the plus sign, there's the answer. So on the back end, there's the title, there's the question, there's the answer. If I want to add a question, I just go, new question here, answer here. And then I would click update and then refresh the page. And bingo, new question here, answer here. Now, because I don't want that one, I'm just going to go back here to the FAQ section. I'm going to hit remove now and then remove again, and then that's gone. And then I can click update. And you'll notice on this page, and every page, depending on the project we're working on, we will name these pages different, but the template is called a service page. So if I wanted to add a new page, and I wanted it to look similar to this Mirror Drive page where it has the content up here, this section, the gallery, and then a testimonial and FAQs. I'm going to go add new. I'm going to call this a new service page. And you'll see by default it's the default template, but I'm going to change this to service page. And you'll also see that there's different page templates that we've created to make it easier for the admin of the website to create custom pages and not have to recode them every time. So I click service page and you'll notice what happens. There's the hero section, the additional information, the testimonial, and the FAQ. There's where the hero image would go. There's where the title would go, and then I click add row, and these are the bullet points, and then calls to action. This would be, start today with a form ID with the link to number 1 and things like that. And then I would either click save draft if I'm not ready to publish that live, or publish, or I just maybe don't want that one, so I could click move to trash. So I'll just do that for now. And that won't show up. So that's how to work within Pages. A couple other things I'll show you about Pages. About Us, you'll notice there's the About page template, and then it has a hero section and different tabs that edit different parts of that page. Same with the Contact Us, that has the Contact Us page template with a top section to contact us, a contact info section, and a bottom content section. All of these work very similarly. Based on your project, we can go through the specifics, but this gives you kind of a high-level overview. And that's how you edit pages.